Seagull, 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 seagull. It's not that I don't like Brian, but sometimes he sends me mixed signals. Like sometimes he'll say, get your work done. And other times he'll say, get your work done now. I mean, those two things really hurt. They really hurt. And quite frankly, I can't handle it anymore. And that was it for me. I mean, that was the straw that broke the camel's back. So I quit. And it feels wonderful. We are at the library. I quit my job. I feel great. I'm gonna learn everything that there is to know. Everything, about everything. I can't wait. I absolutely love to learn. It's amazing. I mean, I used to hear people say knowledge is power, but now I believe it. It's awesome. I've been coming here for almost 2 weeks, and I don't want anyone to know that I've been here because I don't want... Seagull, 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 seagull.
Jonathan, let's go to Chain.
Ay, caramba. ¿Qué hora es? Son las 7:05. Ay, caramba, tengo que ir a la escuela. Ay, caramba, español, español, español. Tenemos un examen. Ay, caramba, tengo que irme.
What the heck is he doing? What is he doing?
Ay, no, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? Son las 7:05, ¿qué día es? Hoy es lunes, martes, miércoles. Ay, no, señor Vermeer me dijo. Hay una sesión.